Alright guys, abstract added again. Another quick box opening. And again, like all the others, I stress this is not an unboxing. I do not want to get into any of this stuff before I get it all together. Because if anything goes wrong with it, I don't want them to claim that it was me messing with it. That being said, I just got a new box and I don't know what it is and I'm excited. Oh. Why is this box so light? I'm kind of concerned now. Oh, nope, that's got some weight to it. Ah, you guys are gonna be excited. Here it is. Here she is, baby. Yes, I did pay a scalper too much. I actually didn't get ripped off that bad, but there's some kind of tariff things going on. So I ended up paying quite a lot for this card. But that's fine. This is my baby. Okay, yep, and we're just going to open the box. Like I said, not an unboxing, just a box opening. Just to make sure they sent me the product that they said they sent me. Alright, we got a little tape there. I really like to figure out the right way to open these boxes. It's quite satisfying when you don't have to rip anything, so I'm sorry I'm kind of off screen right now. Feels like that should pop up, but it's not. So is there tape in the way? Is there... Maybe it doesn't open from there. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Alrighty, so... Oh, kind of tough to get out of there. I'm sure this isn't your first unboxing video, but as you know, Jesus' beautiful case choice. And that sure looks like G-Force to me. Jesus. G-Force RTX. I'd really like to see it say the words 3070 on here. Like I said, I don't want to pull this box. I want to do as minimal as possible, but I want to see the words 3070. It looks like all the ones I've seen. In all the videos, it looks to be in the box the correct way. Well, I don't see 3070 on the case anywhere. Gonna go Google some images. It has me kind of scared. I definitely don't want anything less for what I paid. Which was not a small amount. I should have grabbed that. Let's grab that paperwork out. Slides right up in here. Sorry, I know most of this is off camera. I'm just worried about packing it up. At least about as nice as it came in, you know what I mean? Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go look at a bunch of pictures online. I'm pretty sure that's the 3070, but I'm also pretty sure it said 3070 across it. Yeah, I'm very concerned. I see a Zeus, I see GeForce RTX. But I'm not seeing 3070 anywhere. But I mean, you do. I'm a little less worried now, because you do see it on the box here. And the top does just say ASUS GeForce. So I'm pretty sure we got her. Like I said, it's probably super disappointing. Just a box opening, not an unboxing. All the unboxings and the putting togethers are all going to happen in a series of build videos once all the parts are here. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I hope you enjoyed that. Abstract out.